Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to run Windows 11 on your MacBook, whether it's for work, gaming, or specific apps, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you step by step through how to install Windows 11 on a Mac using Parallels Desktop. Plus, I'll share some exclusive Parallels coupon codes so you can save money while setting it up. Let's jump right in. Why Parallels Desktop? Parallels Desktop is the easiest and most reliable way to run Windows 11 alongside macOS without rebooting. It's super fast, very user-friendly, and perfect for both Intel and Apple Silicon Macs. Here's what you get: seamless integration between Windows and macOS, optimized performance for heavy apps, games, and work software. One-click setup for Windows 11. Ability to switch between macOS and Windows instantly. How to install Windows 11 with Parallels. First, download and install Parallels Desktop from the official link in my description. Once installed, open Parallels and it will prompt you to download and install Windows 11 automatically. Click Install and Parallels handles everything. No complicated setup required. After installation, you'll be able to launch Windows 11 directly on your Mac, just like opening any other app. It's literally that simple. You can now run Windows apps, play PC games, and even connect external devices all within your Mac environment. Now let's talk about saving money. Here are some Parallels desktop coupon codes for 2025 that you can use right now. PD20SAVE, get 20% off Parallels Desktop. Wine and Mac 25, save 25% on new licenses. Upgrade 15% off when upgrading from an older Parallels version. PD Student 30, students can save up to 30%. And if for some reason these codes don't work, don't worry. I've included a special discount link in the description that automatically applies the best available Parallels deal, so you're always guaranteed the lowest price. Pro tip: if you're using Parallels for work or school, definitely grab Parallels Pro or Business Edition, since it gives you more performance and tools for productivity. So that's it. Now you know how to install Windows 11 on your MacBook with Parallels Desktop, and you've got the best coupon codes to save money. Click the link in the description, grab your discount, and start enjoying the best of both Windows and Mac today.